all the Swifties are getting this out.
Hurry up! I'm not your personal shopping assistant, dummy. Hope you know what you're doing, dummy. Next time, learn some manners before you swim. That's it, I'm done. You'll hear about this. Took you long enough to notice that, genius. Pathetic decision. Enjoy your mediocre crowd. I'd say I'm surprised, but this place clearly lacks standards.
Hey, dum-dum, my dad owns the building. You better let me in. Touch me again and I'll have your job. You'll regret this slight, trust me.
I've never been disappointed here. And I'm hopeful tonight won't be different. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. Hope you got good price for it. Penny saved, penny earned. That's some high-tech gear. Curious what you'll find. Why? Oh, what does it say? Let me see the result. Oh, what does it say? Let me see the result. Neat tool. Just don't scan anything you'll regret seeing. That was surprisingly painful. It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it. Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. I'm happy to share. It's all yours. I guess I needed some rest.
Why did you do that?
You're a natural businessman. Cash money. Penny saved, penny earned. Oh, come on. You're a natural businessman. Am I getting in? I appreciate it. I've been looking forward to this for ages. Do that again. I dare you.
The anticipation is thrilling. I'd love to see what awaits inside. You must have a good reason for this. I trust you. No worries. I didn't... I am not... Oh, it is cold. would help me cool off. I am soaked, but it is also kind of refreshing. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. That stinks. Fresh start, I guess. Thanks for the careful work. Well, I didn't love it that much anyway. Thanks for the cleanup. Fresh start, I guess. Thanks for the careful work. Well, I didn't love it that much anyway. Thanks for the cleanup. Fresh. That was pain.
Ты знаешь, при входе ты получишь бесплатные подарки. Нажми на кнопку скачивания Big Alive, следуй инструкциям из видео, введи код обмена, всего 4 шага и бесплатный подарок твой. Попробуй прямо сейчас.
Bigo, bigo!
That's refreshing. Splish, splash. That would help me cool off. Smooth look coming up, I trust your skill. Hey, a new look! Thanks for the fresh style. Hey, a new look! Thanks for the fresh style. Hey, a new look! Thanks for the fresh style. Why would you do that? This could be the start of a bold new image for me. Splish, splash. All right, just go. Easy on the close shave. Cool. I was thinking I needed a trim anyway. Hey, a new look! Thanks for the fresh style. This could be the start of a bold new image for me. Hey, a new look! Thanks for the fresh style. What is that? I understand. Maybe next time I'll make it in. Do that again, I dare you.
Could I please join the others inside and share in their enjoyment? Oh no!